Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Friday 13th of May, and right now here we are. So basically Solana is still not in the mood to basically go to the upside, but I do expect a little bit of a push to pull, a small pull to the upside. Now it's really incredible that Solana went to $37. Okay, so this on a weekly time frame, you do have a little bit of a support of the swing high right over here. I'm just gonna tell you and drop this line right over there. So all you did is make a quick wick to the downside, and this was a really fantastic opportunity basically to invest. But if you start to actually come down and lose this level, which is going to be $45, you close below $45, down you go to this last wick, which is going to be $18 or $20, and from there you could actually bottom out, making a double bottom on a higher time frame. Okay, now the reason why I still think that there's a possible drop to the downside, I just want to see if there's any bear flag. Yes, there is a bear flag on the monthly, and just to illustrate this one to you, you went to the downside and you made a bear flag just right there, and the technical target still pending from the top here to the bottom, and this is where you broke out. So you are looking to come down to $30 by default, which you haven't done just yet. Okay, so $30 will be a nice good entry opportunity for Solana. Man, I would really love to take some little bit of that discount, by the way, just a little bit, because on a weekly time frame, we are still having issues. Okay, and that issue is that you do have the three black crows. Okay, on a weekly time frame. So I'm just going to remove all the drawings here, and this is the first red candle, the second red candle, and the third red candle. That's three black crows, and that's bearish. Yes, next week you could actually go a little bit higher, maybe to the $60 range, and then boom, you go to the downside, because three black crows are actually bearish. So let's do a Google, and I'm gonna show you three black crows right there. This always appears on crypto. I don't know, it's a very famous pattern. Almost every day it has to appear somewhere, and the best illustration is this one. So you're gonna have three red candle back to back, a little bit of a green to the upside, and that's what I'm saying. Next week a little bit up, and then probably after 7-8 days you continue with the downtrend, maybe small relief to the upside, but not good enough to start a bull run or an upside, just good enough to actually drop even way more farther down. So if it does make a bear flag on a weekly like this, imagine the next technical target will be from here to here, and if you try to break out of it, it's gonna be like almost $18. Do you see that? Almost again, $18-$20. I'm just thinking, it's just an opinion, and I'm not saying it's gonna happen. But if you do make a bear flag on the weekly, it's gonna drop down to $18 or $20. Anyway, but if and only if you make a bear flag, you haven't done it just yet, so it's not confirmed. And that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.